assembling cheap Chinese English wheel. 550 bucks, something like that, off of eBay. I just like the shape of it. I liked everything about it. Price. And I ordered it, showed up 2 days later, and today's the day. This is the moment. Let's see what it becomes. So I'm gonna open, there's 3 boxes, 1, 2, and a third one right here. This one has the actual wheels in it. And, oh, they're heavy, man. These little guys aren't so bad. They're slippery right now because everything's covered in oil, but that big one, I wasn't expecting it. I got it, but I wasn't expecting it. So let's open these up and we'll see what's inside. Okay, in box 1 there we got some good stuff. Turns out this is a CodeAutoTools.com English wheel. That's the main hoop of it. We got a couple plates, a bunch of bolts. I'm assuming that's the bottom section for raising the little wheel, the top section for the big wheel. Not quite sure. Oh, looks like it tightens this lock on there. And then the screw to move it up and down, and the little pieces to screw in there, not to mention the manual itself. So on to box 2. I'm sure it's got the rest of the parts in it because there's 3 boxes and I got 3 of them. That's box 1, this is box 2, and I already told you about box 3. Gotta turn my music back on. Box 2, pretty simple. A foot, I'm assuming a foot or 2 feet. I don't know how many feet this thing has. 3. So that one's probably the backbone of it. The other foot, those 2 come across. The little piece that holds all the lower dies. That's it. So I'm gonna get an impact driver and let's get this thing assembled. I'm gonna say it's gonna go pretty quick. Oh, by the way, in all this, there are tons of metal shavings, like little balls of metal. Why would they ship that with it? Like, it's like the guy is grinding one of them right next to the guy packing it. Or they got some guy just sprinkling them in the bags. It makes no sense at all. But that's a Chinese specialty. You get free scrap metal with every purchase. It just so happens in this one, it's small little pieces that are gonna be stuck in my sandals for weeks. You can see we got it all assembled. That was pretty quick. I'm 6 feet tall. It's 5 feet tall or so. Large wheel in there in place. This thing, it wanted to stick, man. It did not like those first couple threads, but once it got in there with a little grease on it, it was good to go. So let's put all the dies in there right now, and then we've got an English wheel, and that's just pretty exciting, isn't it? No, not that exciting. Maybe it's exciting. I don't know. So it's coming up with different radiuses than I think it said it was going to come with. I'm pretty sure it said it was going to come with a 24, a 36. Those are the only ones I remembered. But it's saying it's got a 2, a 3, a 4, a 6, an 8, and a 12-inch. That's all fine. And then a dead nuts flat one. So we're going to go ahead and throw these guys all in here. I'm just going to throw the little pin in there. And then they just drop right in. I'm going to do them from flat at the bottom and the smaller radiuses towards the top. You can do them any way you want. Over time, I think it's going to end up with one I use the most at the top and some other stuff. All right. It was like 30 minutes, right? So not a bad assembly at all. It's pretty straightforward. It's quick. It's got everything we need. It is Chinese. The bolts are too long. I mean, I'm going to go back and trim these ones on the other side because legit, they're sticking out like an inch. That's just unnecessary. I got to tighten that guy up, but otherwise we're good to go. But I don't know. It's not half bad. This is going to probably need some reinforcement. That's what everybody says. So at some point I'll come back and I'll put a brace on the top of it. But for the moment, that's what we're going to roll with. I don't even have a piece of sheet right with me. They're out in the shed in the dark. So today, this is it. Assembly, unboxing, kind of a review of what it feels like. And it feels quality. You know, caveat, asterisk, quality. This one is a Code Auto Tools.com. eBay. Cheap Chinese. It's probably going to work great. The wheels feel like they're solid. I mean, I'm not worried about those. These, they weigh a freaking ton. They're smooth. They need to get cleaned because they've got a bunch of oil on them. But they don't have any imperfections. They don't have anything that makes me think that they're going to damage any metal or, you know, be an issue at all. So rock on, guys. I will do another video, I don't know, soon when I'm using this thing. I'm gonna also order a rubber band for the top because the class I took told me very clearly that is probably the best use of this. You could shrink, you could stretch, you can do everything with it, but the band, you're able to put a curve into stuff, kind of like a slip roll, but really targeted. So you can really decide where you want your angles. And I got a car full of angles here. And we made these panels, not the top one, but these side panels with a very similar machine. Just, you know, Harbor Freight instead of eBay, but Harbor Freight isn't offering them right now. So this is the machine I've got. This is the machine I bought. And we're going to be able to create a panel just like that with no issues. And get a little crown in it, get a little form in it, get a little shape in it, get it to be right. We got some big rush repair down at the bottom to do, fronts of the doors, things like that. So it's going to play out, you know, like, follow, subscribe, all those things. God, I hate saying that, but I really feel that way. I mean, I've only made a couple videos, and I'm like, come on, guys, like, follow, subscribe. I put some work into this, and I'm going to do nothing but good stuff. Ooh, I just saw a mouse in my garage. That means I got to lock my cat in here or something. Anyway, there's not much space for them to exist in here, but I'm not shocked. Mice are everywhere. Okay. Anyway, there's the car. I'll clean off the crap, put away the tools. Very little tools used. Great looking machine. I'm glad it came in blue. It said it could come in any color, but blue's the one they showed. So I'm happy. I'm going to find a spot for it, lock it in, and then we'll be off to the races, as they say. So thanks for joining me. Come back again, Adventures in Rust. We also have an Instagram, Adventures in Rust. And that's it, Adventures in Rust. Follow me, like me. We're building this car. It's going to be awesome. Talk to you soon.